In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 3 white soldiers bullish quick and easy guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add the 3 white soldiers bullish pattern indicator to your TradingView chart in just a few clicks, even if you're completely new to the platform. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have any chart open. It doesn't matter which market you're looking at, stocks, crypto, forex, or anything else. Once your chart is on the screen, go to the top of the page and look for the Indicators button. It's usually located near the top toolbar above the price chart. Click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. This is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools to your chart. When the Indicators window pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click inside that search bar and type the word white. You don't have to type the full name of the pattern. Just starting with white is enough for TradingView to filter the results and show you the relevant indicators. Give it a second, and a list of matching indicators will appear below. From that list, look for the one called 3 white soldiers bullish. This is a candlestick pattern indicator that highlights a strong bullish reversal signal, often seen after a downtrend. Once you've found 3 white soldiers bullish in the list, click on it once. As soon as you do, the indicator will be added directly to your chart. You should now see visual markers or highlights on your candles whenever the pattern appears. Depending on your chart style and theme, these might show up as labels, colored backgrounds, or icons above or below the candles. If you want to customize how it looks, you can go to your chart's indicator settings, adjust colors, visibility, or alerts so it matches your personal trading style. This can be especially helpful if you like to combine candlestick patterns with other tools like moving averages or support and resistance. If you're planning to use this regularly and you want more chart layouts, more alerts, or other advanced features, consider upgrading to a paid plan. I have an affiliate link for TradingView Pro in the description, which you can use to sign up and unlock those extra features if you find them useful. And that's it. You've successfully added the 3 white soldiers bullish indicator to your TradingView chart, and you're ready to start spotting strong bullish reversal patterns more easily in your analysis.